I'm going to be showing you how you can use forms in HTML. Now, this is the form tag and it has two attributes, action and method. The method only has two values, one which is post, one which is get. The post whatever is in your form to your action URL, while the get just adds it to the end of this in your search bar. So it's mostly used for search buttons or really short forms that take you to places. So briefly, this is how you make a username, a text box rather. Type text. I've set a max length so you cannot type more than 30 characters in this, and in name which the program recognizes it by. So same here. You can save this. I'm going to also create a text area. Now this is mostly used for comments. Instead of setting width and height, we set our row and columns and put something in between there, and there we go. Good. Now let's show you how to use add video buttons and check buttons. Okay, now for video buttons, their names must be the same with check buttons, but we can have different values. So this is how we differentiate them and use them when needed. I've checked this one and this one by default, so when you run this, we should have them checked. Okay, so good. Moving forward, now to make a drop down box or a scroll bar, I'll just make both. This is for the drop down box. We use this select tag, we give it a name, and then the options are what hold the values. Then whatever I want to display goes here. Same goes for the the scroll box, but instead we give it size and multiple, because multiple just allows us to make multiple selections. I've selected 2 by default, so you can see them there. This is our drop down box, this is our scroll box, or however you call it. Now let's move forward. Now this particular one allows us to pick a file from our system. This is a submit button. This is also a submit button, and this allows us to use an image as a submit button. So there we go. This submit means that every submit button you add is a general submit for the entire form. So try not to add too many submit. Just one is truly enough. Let's go back here. Okay, the actual button tag goes a little. Before that, I have to show you the hidden inputs. There it is. This never really shows on the browser. You won't see this. It's just used to keep track of your movements, maybe your history. So this is the actual button tag. It can store the image, it can store an image or a text or both. So there it is. Now moving forward, we have label. You have to worry about this. It's just like an inline form of paragraph, not really though, but just for standard use. I'm going to introduce you to it. So there it is. Let's use this with radio buttons. So there it is. Now this is the work of field sets. The field set is a container. Let's hold our legends. That is, we can give it some things in it to just make it preoccupied. So there we go. I'll show you the contents after about that. Now I'm going to show you how to add validations that make your forms compulsory to fill. Now I have to fill in these inputs before moving forward. There we go. So now I'm going to just put this other one. These other inputs can use. There are so many of them. Now for the search, we use this input name called search.